Hey guys, I hope you are doing well, and today we will all about how we can install Windows 11 in your system. I hope you have heard about that Microsoft has launched Windows 11, the next version of Windows 10, and it's have some of the amazing features and UI looks, right. So definitely you are very desperate to install this Windows OS, right? And we will in this video we will talk about how we can install the OS, right, Windows 11 in your system, as well as today in this video I will talk about how we'll install the same thing in virtual machine. So step by step I will talk about the whole procedure, how to install, how to download, and the same way we will in upcoming video we will install the same thing on my own system, right? So guys, I am Aina Sukula and you're watching your tech channel MyCodeWorks. Let's do it, guys. So guys, we are on screen now and we are going to install Windows 11 in VMware. So I hope you have already installed VMware in your system. So VMware basically is used for creating virtual machines, right, where we can install our own OS, any kind of different OS inside OS we can install, right? So virtual, right, basically we can say. So I hope you have already installed. If you haven't installed, then I will say basically okay, visit VMware workstation, VMware, right? So VMware download, simply you can just search, okay, and download VMware workstation pro, right? So 16, and you can download it for based on your Linux, right? If you're based on your OS, which is you are using, like I am using Ubuntu, right? So I will download for Linux, and if you are using Windows, then you can go for it, and I will go for it, right? So I will just click on download now, and it will start downloading. As my it's showing 503 MB, so I will just pause it because I have already downloaded this bundle file. And if you don't know how to install .bundle file, then you can search on Stack Overflow, or else you can simply go through a command line, and inside that you just write two commands. So you have downloaded somewhere, right? So I will show you where I have downloaded. This one is, and you just open terminal, right? So terminal basically, and you just write chmod, right? Chmod, you have to give the file permission so that we can make it executable file, right? So we are going to change the permission, chmod a+x, and the file name, right, whatever file we have. So just put tab, and it will automatically it will take the file name, right? And once you click, and it's going to be given permission, right? So executable, it's going to be converted to executable file. Once it is ready, then we are going to install using sudo command /. If I do like this, right, so if I do like this, then it will take again, it's going to install here, right? So it will ask for root privilege, and it's going to be installed here because I have already installed. In this way you can install these things, right? So VMware you are going to install in this way. So I have already installed, so I will just close it. And for remaining things, like where we can find the ISO file for Windows, I will provide the link in description box. From there you can download it, or else Meriso Mart, you just find out Meriso, right? Meriso Mart and blog, you just go and check the new, okay. So here we will get the link, so I will provide the link in description box. From there you can find out, okay, here itself. So link will be there, read more, you just click on it, and you will find out the link to download. You just click on here, direct download it, okay. Just I will click it, okay, just click on here, and you can see here it's started to download 4.5 GB ISO files, right? After downloading it, right, so I just put cancel or just pause. Once you downloaded this file, you have to rename it into Windows 11.iso, right? So after renaming it, right, so you are going to do the remaining part, and that's what we have already installed virtual VMware workstation, right? So open it, and we are going to just create the things, right? Start the creating virtual machine, and we are going to just create, okay. So we have to go through new virtual machine, and we are going to just use typical mode, and after that we will just use the ISO file that we have downloaded it, right? So I will just find out that thing, Windows 11.iso, right? And just I will, okay, so let me click on next, and next, okay, just replace this 10, right, by 11, and we are going to just do it. So let's do it, and after that customize hardware. Okay, net connected, close, right? So advanced in the sense, okay, everything is okay, no need to do anything. Okay, so let me close it once, and okay, let me finish it. Okay, don't save. Okay, so let me close it, and it's going to be started soon. And as you can see here, please, okay, so EFI network, okay, so no operating system was found. Okay, so it's getting started, right? And let me close this one, and after that it will take around few minutes, not few, just let's have some patience, and it's going to be complete the process. Okay, so it's getting started, and we are going to install these things, right? So we have to click on next, install now. It take few minutes, so please be patient. And so it's asking for product key, as we don't have any product key right now, so I just skip this part. I don't have product key, just click on this, right? And as you can see here, guys, it's showing Windows 11 all version, right? I mean, that's we are going to click on Windows 11 home. So let's click on next and accept this. Okay, so custom install we are going to do, we are not going to do with upgrade. So I will just click on unallocated space that we have used 60 GB for this one, right? So I will just click on this and click on next. So guys, it's going to take more than, I think, around 5 minutes, so I may fast forward these things, right? So let's wait for this, right? It's getting installed and everything is getting installed, right? So let's wait for this. So installing features and all those things I've completed, and I think it's installing for update. Let's wait for a few more minutes, and soon it's going to complete all those things, and we will view Windows 11 new features, and in this way we can install Windows 11. So let's do it, guys. So it's everything is completed now, and it's getting restarted. So let's wait for a few more seconds, and everything is going to be perfect. Okay, so it's getting started, and let's see. Everything is getting ready, and now it's on just a moment, and after this I think we will get that Windows screen, that new Windows 11 screen, and we have to do some changes, right? We have to do some configurations like English language and keyboard setup and signing in, all those things we are going to do. And so let's wait some more minutes. So it's now Windows 11 screen is getting open, right? So I think it's looking good, and we are hoping for the best, that we will get some good features and new features of Windows 11. So we have to select the country right now, and United States, right? So we just click on, okay, actually if you want to select your own country, you can select it on, right? Just I will click on yes, and let's move to that things, right? Okay, it's taking a little bit time. So till now, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please click on bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new to this channel, and I will be updating more videos that will be helpful for you guys. So do like and share and subscribe, as well as share with your friends whoever wanted to install Windows 11 in system as well as virtual machine. So we'll click and you can learn how to install Windows 11. So it's little bit time, it's taking little bit time. Okay, so still okay, so let's add your Microsoft account, right? So just I will add my own Microsoft account, and you can add your own, right? So just I will add, right? Okay, so let me just sign in. Okay, so I just entered my password, and it's getting sign in, right? Authentication is going on, and after signing we are going to just give some configurations more, and after that we'll just access Windows 11 fantastically, right? So we are going to create a pin, and that is for security purpose, right? So I will create a 4-numbered pin, and you can create your own. It should not be same, it should not be common. So I will put 5612, right? 5612. So I can just say 5612, right? So let me click on OK, and it's going to be created the pin. Okay, so till now enjoy music. So it's asking that we can restore from that. Previously I have used the same email, right? And now I just want to set up a new device, so I will click on set up a new device and just click on next. So I will just put on location off, find my device also off, diagnostic data also off, linking, tailored experience, advertising ID. Okay, so I will just put all of them no, and you can do based on your requirement. So I'm doing my own, so I just accept it, and let's do the next step, and let's move to the next step, right? I hope you are safe, and please be safe and stay back to your home and enjoy. So we are going to click on some so it's asking for let's customize your experience. So basically I will try to click on gaming and creativity. So family, if you want to access the same thing, if family members also, so you can click on these things, and school, work, entertainment and business. So I will just click on these things, right? You can skip also, right? No need to just put it, it's not mandatory. You can skip out and later on you can do all those things. So I just want to store on my device, I don't want to store on cloud, so I just click on next. Okay, so it's taking a little bit time, and no thanks, right? So I don't want to use premium office of Microsoft Office 365. I think everything is completed. So just a moment, it's saying. So now I think, wow guys, I think we are ready with the things, right? The most weighted part is here itself, as we have completed the installation part of Windows 11. So just that's what is needed, like don't turn off your PC during this time. So a little bit time, it's going to take like 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so I just put on pause. So everything is ready now, and you can see here. So this is one of the wonderful UI for Windows 11, guys. And you can see here the UI widgets, like features, in the sense talking about the features. Then we get like we have in Mac OS, the same we are getting features and UI for Windows 11. So all the widgets taskbar is showing bottom center, right? So here we will get all things, and we can find widgets here and findings. And so let's just open the folder, and folder icons are different now, and it's good, right? It's good. They have updated those things, right? And you can see all the folder icon and all those things. So if you want to videos and videos, so things are there. Let me check this. Okay, you click on start you will get the same already, like what we are getting in Windows 10, but it's like a little bit improved and good UI. So it's a little bit, you can search it out. You can find out some applications here. I just going to do this, right? So as Windows 11 have some features that you can find applications here. So you can just after installing you can just find out, right? So you can just explore all those things. So till now I have explained everything from starting to if you want to install Windows machines. I hope you have done everything correctly, and now you are able to install Windows 11. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, and if you want to go for more videos like this, so please click the like button, as well as click on a bell icon so that you never miss an update whenever I upload any videos regarding this kind of topics, right? So as you can see here, everything is there, right? So you just explore it after installing.